Okay, so it's time to pack the Polestar spoiler for the Volvo S60. I just got it, and let's see the how it looks. So it comes in a box with a Polestar logo, and the we'll see. It is a kind of expensive part. It cost, I think, $600. The it is a little bit different than a regular spoiler. I think it's a little bit longer. So let's see. This is the first time I'm gonna see it. It's for 2014 and newer R design, but it will fit 2011 excuse me, 11 and newer. And the looks like, I think it comes with tape. Okay, that's how it is. We have it. That's how it looks. Okay. So it goes on the edge of the trunk. We have a Polestar logo. Here's the part number. Here's the part number. Okay, so that's what it is. Later I'm going to put it on the car, we'll see how it looks. But it's a nice spoiler. Here it is. So it mounts with 3M double-sided tape all the way. I don't see any bolts, screws, nothing. Just like that. And the yeah, looks good. Later I'm gonna put it on the car, so we'll see how it looks on the car. Okay, so what we have here are the front Polestar winglets. So this is for the front bumper, and it only fits the R design bumper, 2013 and newer. I think US is 2014. And we have a left and right, and they are mounted on a double-sided tape and a couple screws, and they look good when they are installed. We have left and right. So these are available at volvoproject.com, and we will have the rear for the S60 rear spoiler also available soon. And the so Yeah, this is a rear and this is the for the front. You can also get them on eBay. So I think they're 220 for the pair. They are made out of the fiberglass, but still okay. Once painted, there's no difference comparing to the OEM ones that cost, I think, $750. So it's lots of savings there. Yeah, so we have two of these spoilers. And the rear one will be available soon. Also for, I think it will be $185. Okay, so I have a Polestar spoiler that I just tried on a deck lid, on the trunk. Here it is. It's very easy to install. All you have to do, peel the tape and then just push it on to place, just like that here. It's to be just aligned, and that's it. Very easy and makes the car look so much better. Let's see on the angle like that. Very nice, and it will fit any Volvo S60 2011 up to 2017, just like that. So yeah, it's a Polestar branded spoiler, $650 I think in value from the dealer, and we will have these available soon. So just check with us.